In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export SketchUp scenes, whether you want to save them as separate images, export a single scene, or create a smooth video walkthrough. If you work in SketchUp 2026, this is a super useful workflow because it helps you turn your scenes into high-quality files fast, without wasting time doing everything one by one. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more SketchUp tips, tutorials, and workflow shortcuts. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the fastest method if you want to export multiple scenes at once. This is perfect when you have several saved views in your model and you want each one exported as its own image file. For example, if you have 10 scenes and you need 10 separate JPEGs or PNGs, SketchUp can actually handle that through the animation export feature. To prepare for this, go up to the top menu and click View, then Animation, and then Settings. In this window, you want to uncheck Enable Scene Transitions. This is important because if transitions are turned on, SketchUp will try to animate between scenes instead of exporting them as clean, separate still images. After that, set the scene delay to 0. That tells SketchUp not to pause between scenes and makes the export process much faster. Once that is set, go to File, then Export, then Animation, and choose Image Set. This is the option that lets you export all of your scenes as individual image files in one batch. When the export window opens, choose your file format. JPEG is great if you want smaller file sizes, while PNG is usually better if you want cleaner quality or possibly transparency, depending on your workflow. Before you save, click the Options button. This is where you can control the resolution of your exported images. If you want high quality, you can increase the width, for example to 3000 pixels wide or more, depending on your project needs. A larger resolution is ideal for presentations, client work, or when you know you may need to crop or reuse the image later. After that, choose the folder where you want SketchUp to save the files. Once you click Export, SketchUp will go through every scene that has the Include in Animation box checked in your scenes tray. So if a scene is not showing up, make sure that checkbox is enabled. This is one of the most common things people miss when batch exporting scenes. Now, let's move on to method 2, which is how to export just a single scene as an image. This is the best option when you only need one specific view and you don't want to export the entire scene set. First, click the Scene tab at the top of the SketchUp window to snap to that Save Camera view. Once the scene is active, go to File, then Export, then 2D Graphic. This option is used for exporting a still image of your current view. It's very useful for presentation images, concept snapshots, or when you just want one polished render from a saved scene. Next, choose your file format. If you want a transparent background, PNG is usually the best choice. If transparency is not important and you want a smaller file, JPEG can work well too. Then click Export, choose your folder, and save the image. That's it. Your single scene is now exported as a clean 2D graphic. Now let's cover method 3, which is exporting your scenes as a video walkthrough. This is the right choice if you want a smooth MP4 file that travels between your camera points and shows the model in motion. To set this up, go back to View, then Animation, then Settings. This time, check Enable Scene Transitions. Unlike the image export method, here you want transitions turned on because the movement between scenes creates the video effect. Then set the transition time to 2 or 3 seconds, depending on how smooth and slow you want the camera movement to feel. Once your animation settings are ready, go to File, then Export, then Animation, and choose Video. In the export options, you can select a resolution like 1080p or 4K, depending on the quality you need. If you want a smooth result, choose 30 frames per second. If you want even smoother motion and your computer can handle it, 60 frames per second is a great option too. After you confirm the settings, click Export. SketchUp will render the scene transitions into a video file that you can use for presentations, walkthroughs, client previews, or sharing online. This is one of the easiest ways to turn a SketchUp model into a professional-looking animated export. So to quickly recap, if you want multiple scenes as separate files, use Animation and export an image set. If you only need one scene, use Export 2D Graphic. And if you want a moving presentation, use Export Animation as video. Each method has its own purpose, and once you know where to find the options, exporting scenes in SketchUp becomes very easy. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more SketchUp tutorials, and let me know in the comments which export method you use most often. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.